Why? Why this phone? Does it worth it? Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Oneplus. You guys probably know it that I'm using Oneplus 6T for a long time, and I think other people are using it too in 2021. Now let's see, does it worth it to buy in 2021 or not? The answer is yes, because like I said before in my OnePlus 9 comparison video that OnePlus 6T cost around 300 to 400 pounds in UK. Although this thing is old, but remember in 2018 this was a flagship phone. Nowadays there are hundreds of flagship phones, but some people are still looking for cheap flagship phone. Let's talk about the phone hardware, storage and performance. OnePlus 6T comes with 6.41-inch screen optic AMOLED display with 60 Hz of refresh rate. It has two options of hardware and RAM, 6GB and 8GB of RAM with 128 and 256GB of storage, but I choose 8GB RAM with 128GB of storage. Also, this phone have good camera megapixels 16+20 and take photos in 4K resolution. Right now it has Oxygen OS 10.3.9 version, not Android 11. It has Qualcomm Snapdragon 845. There is nothing wrong with this. This Snapdragon works very well when I play games. OnePlus 6T has 3700 milliamps battery, and it all depends on the person how they use the mobile. They use it constantly or they use it for a while, then put it down, and then after a while they use it again. It all depends on the person. Nowadays my mobile starts to get lag and slow. I think it's because when the RAM is full it starts to get lag, but nevertheless this phone just works perfectly fine. It has fingerprint and face lock. For me, face lock just works perfectly fine, as you can see, and I never tried fingerprint scanner, so I think the response of fingerprint scanner is not good. I can show you right now. But yeah, it's a bit late. And also I have showed you that OnePlus 6T has gesture while the phone is off or on in part 2 of upcoming phones. So just think about, in 300 to 400 pounds you are getting a high performance mobile with larger storage, allow you to play high graphic games and take better images. I hope you enjoyed the video. I talk about this phone because most of the people want to buy the latest phones, and first they see is it okay to buy it, and also they don't want to lose their money. So I'm here to tell you, if you want to buy a cheap flagship phone, then go for this one. I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.